Crosshatching. Crosshatching is using two sets of parallel lines that you put together to create your shading. So this time we're going to put our light source on this side, so that means we're shading over here. And the further away you get from your light source, the darker it's going to appear. It works the same as hatching, in that the closer together you put them, the darker it appears. So you just take, you can do 3 lines. I usually almost do 3. You can do 2, and you're going to overlap them, cross them, and they can even touch other areas of cross-hatching. So the more you do, the darker it will appear. So it depends on how dark you want your value to be. And you're going to fill up the whole surface of your pyramid. I'm doing 2 now, so you can do 2 or 3. I was taught 3. Alright, so we'll stop. We're going to move over to the cube. Again, your light source is over here, coming into that side. So that means that all of your value is going to be over here, your dark, because where the light's hitting is going to be a bright white. So you just put them down and cross over. So it's like going sideways and then up and down. I can come in here, fill in that area on that one. If you want it darker, they can overlap. Okay, so you would decide how you want that, and the further away you get from your light source, the darker it's going to be, so you may need to layer them on top of each other. Okay, and we'll stop on that one. You can finish that one. Then the circle, the same thing we did before. So our light source is hitting here, so that makes our shadows and dark values here. This is the same as hatching. You're going to want to curve your lines so that you can pull your eye around the shape of that circle and make it an actual form. Otherwise it's going to flatten out. So you want to curve against the edge, just like you did with your hatching. And again, you'll fill in depending on where you feel that the light source stops. Okay, and then I'm going to stop there for the sake of time. The cylinder and the cone are up to you how you want to do them. Remember that you have bases that are showing specifically here, and if that's sitting on a base or underneath, even if you're holding it up, it's going to be really, really dark.